Most seagulls flew only to eat, but Jonathan was different. He didn't care for scraps, he cared for the flight. He practiced for hours, diving faster, gliding higher. One fine day, he broke the speed limit of any seagull. And guess what? Instead of getting rewarded, he was banished from the flock. Jonathan was heartbroken. But he did not give up flying. He soared even higher than he ever thought possible and discovered a new world of beauty and possibilities. With his new wisdom, Jonathan returned to the flock. Not to fit in, but to show others what was possible. Slowly, others started to follow him, to dream, to try, to soar. This amazing story comes from book Jonathan Livingston Seagull, written by Richard Bach. We leave you with a thought. Can you be Jonathan for your flock?